Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Chevy Malibu. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch, which prevents burns and makes parts easier to handle. Gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Finally, for electrical safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's get to those spark plugs. First, locate the ignition coils, which are usually found right on top of your engine's valve cover. Each coil will have an electrical connector. Carefully disconnect these by pressing the release tab. Next, you'll need to remove the coil mounting bolt, which is often a 10mm or 12mm size. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the ignition coil straight up and off the spark plug. Repeat this for all cylinders. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a tiny amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps with future removal. Hand thread the new spark plug into the cylinder head first to avoid any cross-threading. Once it's snug, use your torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specific setting, which is commonly around 13 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the ignition coil, making sure it clicks securely into place. You're almost done. Now, go back and reconnect all the electrical connectors to each ignition coil. Once those are secure, reattach the negative battery terminal to your car's battery. Before you take it for a drive, start the engine and listen carefully for any misfires or unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed your spark plugs. Remember, if your spark plug wires look worn, it might be a good time to replace those too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.